Alright guys, how is everyone? So I am working on a car today and it was quite not what I expected. The guy rang me last week and said, oh, I've got an F-150, I need the front guards rolled. And I'm thinking like an old F truck. The guys rocked up today and it's sort of like the one off the Fast and Furious, the red one. So yeah, I thought, oh, I might as well film this, it's a bit of fun. Yeah, we're just rolling the front guards. He's lowered it in the front and it's scrubbing when he's turning and even when he's driving straight. I don't think, on a sharp turn, on a bump, I don't think I'm going to be able to roll it to not get that because the guards actually curve in. But yeah, I'll be able to roll it so that he can drive normally. He'll still be able to go down, like say the Great Ocean Road or whatever, and you just, with those light turns, with the bumps, you'll be fine. But yeah, when you're turning in and out of a steep driveway or something, there's not really much you can do about that with a guard like that. Yeah, let's get into it.
Boom, ey, ella es amante de las carreras clandestinas. Recuerda que las rosas vienen con espinas. Vive a su modo, no le importa lo que opinan. Está con su clan.
So, hopefully you guys can see this, but he's actually damaged the guard from not having it rolled. It's caught on the guard, it's caught on the tyre here and ripped that out, so I'll have to fix that and then we'll roll that a little bit. Might have to do that by hand. And then up in here, it's actually hitting this bolt. So we'll roll this lip and then we're going to have to cut some of this guard liner out and fold these. Mainly this one here, but we'll fold that bolt, the mount up, and then we'll roll the guard either way just to give him some clearance. The other side's actually worse. So I don't know whether there's any whether he's missed a spacer on one side or something, but as you can see, the tire's actually hitting the top of the guard, and then it's also hitting on this bolt. So we can do this bolt, but yeah, we're gonna have to have a look at this guard, what he's done with his spring, because we might have to see if we can space his driver's side up, maybe 10 mil or something, so that it's not, it's obviously sitting lower on the driver's side than the passenger side, but he's got these big brakes on here, pretty cool. It's got a monster exhaust, pretty crazy looking exhaust. Have a look at the junction in it. And then it just side pipes out here. But yeah, it's a crazy looking exhaust. Pretty full on car. But yeah, I'll do all my guard work and stuff, and then if I've got time, I'll give him a buzz and I'll maybe suggest that we raise this. Once I have the car down on the ground, I'll measure it and see whether we can raise it a little bit. Look at these control arms, the way that bush sits in there. Surely that moves. That's not very good, is it? There's nothing locking that arm, except for I guess the wheel would want to stay in the middle, but yeah, it's not a very good not a very good bushing system. Anyway, pretty cool looking car, especially from the front. I like it. Picasso.
Oye, ella es amante de las carreras clandestinas. Recuerda que las rosas vienen con espinas. Vive a su modo, no le importa lo que opinan. Está con su clan representando en una esquina. Yo le llego con los míos a donde el dinero diga. No quiero usar la malicia, pero este mundo me obliga.
Might be hard for me to hold this and show you guys, but the stud pattern's too wide for a normal guard roller, so I'm actually going to have to modify another guard roller for doing these big F trucks. So I'll just show you what I've got to do. But yeah, it's just missing. It's just I reckon this probably goes out to like 130 or something. I reckon this is like what, 140 or something like that. So yeah, just got to cut out the bits. I'll mark the ones that I need to cut, and I'll just have to cut them straight through. So that, yeah, because the stud's like right on the edge, and then I'll just put a washer on and then do them back up. Work fine. I've had to do it before with a Volkswagen or 4-stud.
Ando siempre en alta velocidad violando la ley. Todo el mundo que abra camino que va llegando el rey. Se quedan a las que yo acelere, ellos no tienen break. Yo les pasé por el lado y ni me pudieron ver. El que tenga que apuesta hay mucho clandestinaje. No me hagan sacar a la máquina del garaje. Rápido y furioso, no me pidan que le baje. Prendan fuego los motores del tocaballaje. Rápido y furioso, prendan fuego los motores del tocaballaje. Rápido y furioso, prendan fuego los motores del tocaballaje.
There's already a fair bit of stuff still up in the guard here, this white stuff. I don't think I'm going to put all of it that was back, because I think it was actually spacing the guard liner down about maybe an inch and a half, which is making the tyre actually hit up the top. So yeah, I'm just going to put a little bit up in here. But yeah, then I'll throw the rest of that stuff out. Then I'll just cut these guard liners. I'll just cut these guard liners off along here. Just so as you can see, that's where the tyre hit, and now that I've rolled the guards, that's going to be in the way, so I'll try just trim about an inch off, like where that line is. I'll try just trim about where that line is the whole way along on both guards, and then hopefully that should fix that up. And then as far as it hitting here, I reckon without that foam in there, I should be able to bolt that back up right to the top. I reckon I don't reckon that would have been factory. I could be wrong, but I reckon he was getting like road noise and he's put it in there, but unfortunately it's spaced it down too far, so then the tyre's hitting on the actual guard. Anyway, let's get back into it.
Here we go again.
Well, that's it, guys and girls. The wheel guard's rolled. I flared it at just the tiniest bit. This bit here, oh, you would have seen it. Hard to pick it up, but this bit here of the guard actually went straight down, and I made it come out just about maybe another 10 mil. So when this tyre goes down on that guard, it should clear it now. It shouldn't be scrubbing it as he's, just everyday driving. It's probably still just coming in and out of steep driveways and things like that I might still scrub a little bit. Alright guys, so that's it. Just got to put the wheel caps back on and finish up, but yeah, I'm done. Wheel guards are rolled, as you just seen in the video I just showed you. It's got a lot more clearance. I've given it about 10 mil out. I didn't want to go flaring it, make it look silly, but the guards actually factory they'd come down like that, and then they're actually slightly in, so we just brought those out. So if it does hit on the tyre, it should, as long as he's got his wheels tyre shined, which is a big tip. Hit your wheels tyre shine. If it does hit that guard, it'll just slide against it now, because the guard, instead of being the guard like that, we rolled it so it's up like that. Actually, this one's not like that, but yeah, you go from an L shape to bring it up like this. That way the tyre hits it, it just rolls against it, and it's no drama. No drama, it's not going to cause any damage. Anyway guys, if you did get something out of this video that you enjoyed, please give it a like, give the channel a subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.